Yeah, welcome again. It's me, Raul Guevara. This new video is called When Jamaican Country People Call Foreign. Enjoy, yeah.
Auntie Daphne, oi. Yeah, I'm me Kevrai, Auntie Daphne. Me a call if you tell us say, he doctor them fight heart, them find arthritis in a right part of Uncle Uri arthritis in a right part of heart. So we have to go town, go carry him to the hospital, and then no cousin Tony gone a town. In got town and make it town boy them murder him. But thank God for he ain't dead. They murder him but he ain't dead. So we have to go carry him to the hospital again. And then now Shasha K bright. The little girl bright so till she pass her GSAT figure one good all school. So if you can send one go something to Western Union, would really thanks so I do. I get a ride with Mass John tomorrow when I go town. And then me go collect money, alright, Auntie Daphne? Alright.
Thanks for watching. Follow Raul Multi-Talented Guevara for more. Bye.